ka sorkar jala hapo ka jilam konrad ki sangma kumu mitrang ba ka jala kilasim ye karai ki nyai be khmat hak jingya pynbeit yo pol sam hakawat ka ba da ba ki nyai be ta report ya bala IT da sorkar barim ya bala pankre house nam arja kharwei habai kran bat kilar thai khobor hadien bala wai ka jilang bat ki kunhun seng bhalang konrad loi thu ba kan dei ka jing e ka ba khraw han re kan nyai be khmat leng ba ka report ka bala pankre house nam arja kharwei bat kin pe kumno ban pinya khmat halo ka jimin be yo pol sam.
And they had raised the concerns about a few of the areas and they named the villages, and based on that we have shown them the historical facts. Also we've shown them the 2011 report which was the basis on which the entire discussion happened, and we showed them that how the villages that have been mentioned by them was already in the 2011 map shown in Assam, and therefore it was very difficult for us to change that map and that report that was submitted by government of Meghalaya in 2011 and include those villages that they had mentioned. And hence, it was a huge challenge, and we had to move forward with that report of 2011, and they have understood this now. But of course, their concerns are still there. They say that the people's will is there, and the fact that people desire to be in Meghalaya, and they would like to see that this, at least those few areas that are there, some kind of steps could be taken to work out something in those areas. So we can't say anything right now, but of course the second phase has started. So while those discussions take place, we will see how to move forward, and in the meantime we can of course hear from the NGOs also what they have to say. But I think we have clarified all the details to them, and they have understood the technical challenges that are there, and they've realized also, I presume, that how this entire process had moved forward and how we came to this conclusion. But as I said, that there are concerns, and we will do our best to try and address those concerns.
So are they still demanding to scrap the MOU?
That you to ask them. That is not something that I need to answer.
How will the government ensure that these villages that they have pointed out are being
No, we can't
brought
ensure.
back
No, we can't ensure, or we can't assure anything. But as I said, that there are these areas, concerns, and as we said, these are discussions that are moving forward. The MOU has been signed, but as we move forward in our discussions, as we move forward in the second phase, we will try and talk and discuss with our counterparts and see how things can be moved forward. But there's no question of changing the MOU as such. These are few villages which are right at the border, hardly 10 meters, 15 meters away from the line that is proposed. So we will see how it moves forward. It's not something that I can commit right now, but let the process continue. And we have noted down the concerns of the honourable, the NGOs and the members from the different organizations, and we will see how to move forward in that.